Good afternoon, geometry guys. We're doing our last day review for our test tomorrow. I know that's going to be shocking to some people as they're watching other things and not paying attention. And for those that are being rude and disruptive, remember you will lose your orange sheet privilege tomorrow. So 2 ways that you can answer this. You could actually write that symbol, or you could, write the word. Where's those headphones that you came and got?
In my bag.
Why don't you get them? No. Far be it for me to interrupt your video watching. Now, you could also say meet. You could say make. Okay. 4 sides of a
Square.
Okay, good. Finally. Now, number 4 was not on your in this lesson, but it should be common knowledge. It's not going to be on the test, but this should be the length and the width. And diagonals of a rhombus bisect. Okay. Now, if I was making my orange sheet, and for this stuff right here, here is, well, there is stuff that's just roaming around. Where did it go? Come on. There we go. This is what I would do if I were y'all. I would have the definitions from practice test A, that was yesterday's, and any of our notes, okay? That's what I would do. Now remember, if you happen to lose your, handout from yesterday, you're out because your anal glaucoma kicked up, you just couldn't see your butt come to school. The handout's here, the stuff is online. Okay? What happened? You started reading your Cheerios? Now, alright, and a cat. Now, so, also, any examples from the practice tests, notes, okay? I might be real lazy today and just start picking problems from your practice pages and notes. I've done that before, and people have missed the problems. I've actually put problems from practice test on here, and people have missed them. I've written the answer on the screens and told people to write it down first thing, and guess what? People missed it, okay? So, all right. So that's the other classes. Now, so number 5, okay? You actually had to draw the diagonals. Okay? If you don't know how to draw a diagonal, they don't have to be really straight. Okay? All right, then you had to label it. And I know some people are like, oh, you're doing too much. Well, some of y'all are doing too little, and you're stealing my oxygen. All right. Now, if you set it up as 3x plus 4 first, that's fine. Remember, always try to set the largest coefficient on one side so it was positive, because due to teaching, there's too much negative things in my life. All right, so x is 5. Now, it asks for AC. That is the entire length. So, if you ask me, WWJD, what would Jeffries do? I would actually take 2 times, I would take the easiest one. So, 2. All right, so 3, let's see, 5, this is 15 plus 4, 2 times 19, 38. Okay. Right? Yep. Nope. Okay. Are you okay? Are you really confused, or is somebody stabbing you in the neck with a pencil? Okay.
She's trying to make plans, but won't give me details. Because I'm trying to focus.
Okay, I'm sorry that your friend, who is trying to listen to the lesson, won't give you... Wow, that might be 2 people without an orange sheet.
Oh, shoot. Get Ronnie.
Make that 3. Okay, so setting up for X. Get Ronnie. That's worth a ha. That's not a bazinga. That's a Hey, Anna Cat, give us one. There we go. Two y equals 6. All right. So that was number 6. Moving on to this next one. So, couple things going on here. Some things are congruent, some things are not. All right. There are 2 angles that are very easy to find. Actually, there's 3, but it's all right. All right. So, what is one of them? 5. What is angle 5? 53 degrees. What's another one? 1. 1 is 90 degrees. All right. Next one.
3.
Okay. 3. 3 is 38 degrees. Okay. So now to find angle 2. 180 minus 90 plus 38, which is 52 degrees. 180 minus 90 plus 53, okay, which is 37 degrees. Gonna pause. All right, last one. All right, this is the one that the other honors class before y'all, it rhymes with orth period, that they just didn't want to listen. So, all right. Label the segments. All right. So, this is going to, if we are leaving, this is X. Okay? Because, we're going to have to find that anyways. 4x minus 6 plus 2x plus 18 all over 2. Okay, it's worth 6 points. There are 6 elements in there. All right, so, first thing, multiply by 2, multiply by 2. So, 2x equals 6x plus 12. All right, now, here's where it gets a little crazy. All right. Minus 6x. Minus 6x. Yeah, to kill the fraction. All right. 4, negative 4. All right, so here's the deal. Our x, yeah, that's what we kind of set it up, was negative 3. That's not really the thing. You won't have one exactly like this. Can you guess which one of the problems from 5 through 8 that I used AI to make?
Probably 5.
5 and 8, yes. So, I thought this was a bad problem until I looked at it again.
What?
What?
Anywho, we're going to plug it back in to this and see what we get. Now, probably still end up with the same thing, but, you know, potato, potato. Whoop, 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 whoop. That wasn't a test or anything. Now, not y'all's, by the way. I hadn't started y'all's yet. I was waiting to see how mad y'all made me, so.
Did we make you very mad?
I don't know yet. -3 plus t. It still is -3. Now, so yeah, we had a measurement that's still -3. Okay? Now, you'll have a problem possibly similar to this, but you'll have, you know, positive answers. All right, and that's my last day of official teaching this week. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, the bell. Try to be a good human. Don't be a barnacle in society. Good stuff, good things. Roll Tide.